Hi, Adam's Autos, Adam here, strangely enough. So, as you know, in the last instalment, we've done the change the spark plugs, put some new coils in, and I've just taken for a first quick blat around the block, and to put it mildly, I've just been told off. It pretty much ripped, so very, very good news. I am happy. That is 10 times better. So our next job will be to get it in, to get the carbs all set up, and then we can do the fork seal. I will not do the tyres just yet. I know I'm going to get told off for that, but the reason being is I'd like to get the end bit things bedded in a little bit first, make sure everything's hunky-dory, and then we'll do the tyres, and that'll be the last bit, and we're all good to go. Which is major news for me because my Thunderbird is sitting in my lockup and I'm itching to get started on that. She has been off the road for far too long. But as far as I can see, all systems go, it's all good. Yeah, look forward to the next instalment. So will the carb setup be good, or will it be... We'll find out. I'll see you on the next one. Take care, love and light, God bless.